So what I want to show you is the inside of the Discord, because I've never seen someone do that, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks like when you're in the first day of the Hustler University. I'll show you, of course, here the crypto wins, because that's what a lot of people are interested in. If you have some money, if you can get to the FTX platform, you will make some money with some trades, day trades. Here you see people making profit, you will see wins. Some wins are a lot, like 28% and up in a day. I do have to say that you don't see losses here, and a lot of people will lose their money. They will of course not post, but that's not an issue right now. I want to show you this. There's a time quadrant. This means that you can actually choose in which you fall. If you are time poor, cash poor, which most of you are, you can choose that. If you have a lot of free time and a lot of crypto or stocks or money on the pile, you can do number 4. So for everyone, there is something. So that is a very good opportunity, because not everyone is all the same. You can see here, choose a skill that you can actually start copywriting, freelancing without any money, affiliate marketing and social media without any money. And every single time you can actually go up in value. So if you have some money, you can actually go do some follow crypto profits trades, for example. Or what you can do is you can do affiliate marketing with an ad. You can do options and stocks if you have more money than that. E-com dropshipping, e-com personal branding, stock futures even. You can become a part-time trader if you have some decent amount of money, and if you have a lot of money, you don't make a lot of money, you have to become a full-time crypto trader, which I know a lot of people if you want to, but I understand that it's a little bit of a bear market right now, so you have to be careful that you can lose your money. But these are the stuff that you can do. And this is all for $50 a month, so it's a very good quality to price ratio. You go here, you see Amazon FBA, crypto FBA, stocks and options. What these people also say, and you won't hear that before you go into this crypto channel, is you need to focus. Follow one course until success. So you can see the tutorials as well, intermediate experience. You can have multiple sections in this Discord channel, so don't get overwhelmed, just follow one thing. And also a lot of stuff, they are not really visible until you do the course or the test to actually pass. What you can also do is, there's support, there's Hustler University lessons, there's personal finance, which is for everyone. There's this guy called Arno, he often uploads YouTube videos over there. Apparently all these guys are millionaires, so they know something. You got some other stuff, memes and pawn chat. I would recommend you stay away from there, don't waste your time. Some other noob questions, you can do that as well. Just make sure that the questions that you ask is a little bit smart, because people will hate you, they will just scold you out, and which is very sad to see. It's just crap in a bucket mentality, but just ignore that and you can actually go into the Discord channel. It's a no-brainer. It's a $50. If you have no money at all, you can even stop after 1 month, so that's nothing, and you will learn so much skills. I love this because the information in here is so dense that you can just go through it within a few minutes, and then you can take action immediately. That's the most important thing. You need to take action. That is the best thing I can describe for you how the Discord channel looks like.